In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the error code 0xA00F4244. No cameras are attached on your Windows, so let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that the camera access is enabled. So for that, click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on privacy and security to open the privacy and security settings. Now we need to scroll down, and under app permissions, you can find camera. Click on that. And here you can find camera access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. So make sure camera access is enabled from here. Also let apps access your camera. Make sure this is turned on from here, especially for the applications that needs to access your camera like Discord, Messenger, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Make sure to enable the button on from here to let your apps access the camera. Once this is ensured, close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type camera. Now on the right pane, you have to click on app settings. Then you just need to simply enable the app permissions from here. Okay. And then scroll down and you will find the repair button. Click on that. And then click on the reset button and click on the reset button once again. Now once done, close this and just try to open your camera after performing the second method. Now for the third method, we can uninstall the reinstall the camera driver. So for that, make a right click at the start button and here you have to select device manager. Now here in the device manager window, you need to simply locate cameras. Here you can find your camera driver. Make a right click and then select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. And that will be uninstalled from your Windows. Now you just need to simply click on the action tab right here on the top and click on scan for hardware changes. And your cameras will be back. So after that, you have to check if your camera is working fine this time. So you just need to click on that to open your camera and see if it is working fine this time, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.